If you're seeing the Epic Games unexpected error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that solves the problem for many users. This usually happens because of corrupted cache files, permission issues, launcher repair problems, DNS conflicts, or even incorrect system time settings. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC and gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure the Epic Games launcher is completely closed. Don't just minimize it, you want to fully exit it. Go down to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, find the Epic Games icon, right-click it, and choose to close or exit the launcher. This is important because some files can't be cleared while the app is still running in the background. Next, open File Explorer and press Win+R on your keyboard. In the run box, type %local app data % and press enter. This will take you to your local app data folder, where a lot of program data is stored. Now look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside, open the saved folder and then find the Webcache folder. Delete the Webcache folder completely. This cache cannot become corrupted and trigger that unexpected error, so clearing it often fixes the issue right away. If you see multiple cache folders, it's a good idea to remove the related Epic cache files as well. But the main one you want is Webcache. After that, go back to your desktop and find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it and choose Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Once that's selected, click Apply and then OK. Running the launcher with administrator privileges can solve permission-related errors and help the app start correctly. Now press Win+R again, type appbuses.cpl and hit Enter. This opens the Programs and Features window where you can manage installed apps. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list, right-click it, and choose Repair if that option is available. Repairing the launcher can restore missing or damaged files without forcing a full reinstall, and it's a great next step if the cache cleanup didn't completely solve the problem. If the error is still happening, the next thing to do is refresh your network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, search for Command Prompt in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can help if the launcher is struggling to connect properly to Epic's servers. You should see a confirmation message once it's done. Now check your Windows date and time settings. Incorrect time settings can cause connection and authentication problems, especially with online launchers. Open your Windows settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time, and make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. Also, make sure your time zone is correct. If your clock is off, Epic Games can sometimes throw unexpected errors because the launcher can't validate the connection properly. Once you've done all of these steps, restart your computer and try opening the Epic Games launcher again. In many cases, that's enough to get everything working normally. If the error is gone, great, you're all set. If not, you may want to temporarily disable antivirus software. Check your internet connection or reinstall the launcher as a final option. I hope this guide helped you fix the Epic Games unexpected error quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another launcher or game error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.